Hi, good afternoon. It's me Zahid Khan from Absolute.com. I'm representing the fleet operation management software for ERPNext and for the Odoo. So today we will learn how to create a quotation. First of all, we need to check our rental requisition, which our sales team they had prepared this one, and this is ready for the quotation. So the status is saying ready for the quotation. So our person who is creating the quotation, he will open this one. He will read all the necessary information, what kind of equipment our client required, what are the accessories need to be attached, what kind of documents he required. Okay, after this one, what he will do, he will just create a rental quotation, just clicking on the button rental quotation. So the quotation will be open automatically, all the data is fetched. What he need to do here, from how the contract period, how long is the contract period, and what is the starting date. So he can just select this one, duration. He will fill up the information for the site, city and address. Now here we have our own equipment. So let's say we need to select the forklift. So we will select the forklift, but it's saying the forklift is not available here. Our availability is not here. Not a problem. We will select for the crane. Let's see the crane is available or not. So crane is available. So what he will do, he will just click on the first save button, and he will source the unavailable equipment from here. He will just click on the source unavailable equipment. Here we will get the suggested supplier, like whatever we have purchased before. He will give us the suggestion that from this supplier you got this mobile crane at this price and forklift from this price. So let's say we will select the supplier. Let's say this is our supplier, and he's paying us like a 250 reals for this quotation. So he's saying that we have enough margin to sell out this one. If our margin is higher than that one, let's say 1000 reals, we will put the supplier quotation, so it will be tell us that this is not our standing selling price. So what we have to do, we need to find the our best prices from the supplier. So this is below 30% margin, so the system is telling you that the prices are not matching exactly what you need to put. So he will get the lowest price here, so he will just click on the save and select. So here it will be automatically inserted those values here automatic. So he will just click on the submit button. So the over quotation is ready. So after the quotation, we will wait for our customer to confirm over order.